Welcome to Precision Eye Group, where we specialize in advanced optometry. We look forward to meeting you. Our modern office provides state-of-the-art vision care with an exceptional eyewear selection of over 1,000 frames. We use computerized tests to check your eyes, like digital imaging for retinal disease, testing for glaucoma, and meibography for dry eyes. Our doctors will assist you in fitting the best contact lenses for your personal wants and needs. Our advanced technology allows us to take precise measurements of the eye, which, along with our doctor's expertise, can provide the prescription that is perfect for you. Experienced opticians can help you navigate our expansive optical showroom to find the perfect eyewear for any lifestyle. We're looking forward to showing you an eye care experience like none other. Come see why we look different.